Hi everyone. So in this video I'm going to show my small collections of books. So I have a pattern making, fashion illustration and few embroidery books collection. So I'm going to show you all those. So first we'll start from here. So here I have some books which I have taken printout from online. So few books which will be very costly, like pricier one. So I used to search that books online. If I get any free PDF, I'll just take a printout and I'll do a spiral binding here. This book is a little girl dressmaking construction. So kids wear constructions all in detail they'll be given in this book. So likewise I have few books like and this is one of the book from Kerala University. One of my students, she gave me for reference. And yes, so this is Pattern Magic book. So in this Pattern Magic we have three parts, part 1, 2, 3 like that. So in this you can see a different types of construction of pattern making. So this will have like embossed blocks construction. Okay, this is completely a creative pattern making. So this books is also little pricier one. I think each book it cost around 1,800. 3 parts were there. So it is available in online. I took printout and I have done a spiral binding. So likewise I have few books here. So on my second, so these books are very exclusive books which is not available in online. So I have invested some books to get a original copy. So these books are not available in online. So I'll show from first. So this is Fashion Designing by Helen Armstrong. This is one of the life savior book. Like if you see from the basic to advanced level, all type of pattern will be there in this. When you're strong in pattern making, you can go with this book. So from basics to advanced, like ethnic, western wear, everything will be there in this book. But without knowing the concept of pattern making, if you are investing in this book, it's not going to be useful for you, because the techniques whatever is used in this is going to be in the advanced level. So you have to be strong in pattern making before you buy this book. So the next one is, and this book will cost you around something 1,300 to 1,800. I'm not sure about the price. So this is my recent book which I have bought like 2 days back. So this is fashion for fabric for fashion. So this will have lot of swatch, fabric swatch will have in this. So this book cost is 8,000. So I'll show you. So all kinds of fabric, linen, cotton, wool, silk. So all the swatches will be there like this. Swatch. We used to call this as fabric swatch. So this is jersey, which is stretchable. So to know about the fabric and the weaves, how they construct the fabric, you can invest in this book. So fabric for fashion. So next is the book is Dictionary of Fashion. So in this book you will be having a lot of technical words which is used in pattern making or in any high level of fashion. Okay, so basically if you are seeing in tailoring techniques or the basic techniques, okay, so in that they will be telling margin, which is called seam allowance in technical way. So those kinds of words like cutaway, those kinds of words will be there in this dictionary. Okay, this is called Dictionary of Fashion book, and this will cost you around 3,000. And next book is Essential Color in Fashion Illustration. So to know about colors, basically everyone knows to drawing if you draw. Okay, so what colors should be applied in what theme? So that will be explained in this book. So blue theme for warm, and for some fire we will be showing, like for hot fight will be showcasing the red theme. So those kind of theme will be explained in this book. So Essential Color in Fashion Illustration. And the next book is The Art of Fashion Draping. If you love draping, you can invest in this book. This book will give you so much of ideas about draping. So again, when you want to buy this book, you have to know about the concept of draping. Okay, at least basic block. If you know the basic block, you can buy this book. You can learn so much of things from basic to advanced in this book. So I'll just show you. So like this, they'll be showing you how to drape the fabric in the dress form. So back, armhole, ease. So when you know the basics, you can understand these concepts very easily. Step by step, they'll be giving the construction technique. So this book is for draping. And this book is fashion drawing for fashion figure. So again, this is an illustration book. From the basic they'll be covering in this book, like they'll be defining separately for the eyes, nose, lips, like that. So from the basics you'll have all the construction techniques in this book. Again, so you should know the basics, okay, like how to construct a body block. So when you know the body block basics, you can go and invest in this book. So in this book, so like this, they'll be so here they have explained about hairstyles. You can see different kind of hairstyles are explained here. So basically they'll be starting like this, body posture, everything like this. So this is fashion illustration book. And next, these 4 books are colors. Okay, I'll show you this one first. So this is available in Amazon, Asian Paint color blocks. So when you want to know about colors, so in blue only we know dark blue, navy blue, like that. But there are so many varieties of blue colors. If you want to know about the names of the colors, you can invest in this card. So you can see the names here: Yacht Blue, Ocean Electric, Blue Ripple, Caspian Waters, Sneak Blue, Night Drive, like that. So many colors are there in the blue. So whatever colors are there, everything is there in this color blocks. So this will cost you around 2000. So yellow color, everything is there: pink, yellow, purple, lavender dew, sassy violet, pink musing, like that. Technical words and colors. And these books, okay, so books have 4 parts. I don't have the first version. Second, third and fourth version is with me. So this is called color guide. So basically color guide is, you can see here what colors we can combine. So this is called color guide. So if you're having doubt in a color combination, you can invest in this book. This book will give you so much of ideas, how much colors you can combine. So what color will work out with which color. So that ideas will be provided in this book. And again, part 3 in this, little advanced pottery dots, like this floral designs. So if you are interested in weaving also, you can just buy this book. So the color combination, everything will help you. So 4 parts in this. And next, and these books are from local author books, and this is one more foreign author. So fashion illustration. So this will have the flat figures. So before I have shown you one book which is a fashion illustration that will have the body blocks, and this will have the flat figures. And as I told you, this is local authors. So this one is Sarapkar, System of Cutting, basic fashion cutting books. And this one, Rapidex, home tailoring course. So I used to buy all kinds of fashion books. I like to read everything. And this is Elements of Fashion and Apparel Design. So the author is Sumadhi GJ. So she'll be giving you the basic knowledge to advanced techniques of fashion, like collars, how many collars are there, and basic means how to handle the machine, what are the items, what are the products we use in the fashion, like tailoring course, everything is explained in this, even the color medium, the color wheel. So if you are not able to invest in this kind of books, at least buy this. So this book will give you the knowledge about fashion designing. And these books are like Liberty books, Liberty Fashions. So if you are planning to learn sketching, you can invest in this Liberty Fashion sketchbook. So this will give you the basic ideas to advanced level of body blocks techniques. Okay, so Liberty Fashion sketching book. And again, this is foreign author book, Contemporary Fashion Illustration Technique. Okay, so again, this will have a body blocks like this, different, like little advanced. So the book, what I have shown first is having basic things like how to construct the eyes, nose, like that. This will directly have the body blocks like this, and different postures also, sitting posture, side posture, like that. So these are my fashion books collection, and this shelf I have some notes, like fashion drawing notes, everything. So here also I have my notes, fashion notes, which I provide for my students. And these things are my embroidery books, so which I used to collect from like past 8 years. So embroidery design books. So this is hand embroidery design books. So all this hand embroidery is covered in our Ari Zardosi course. And this is Ari Zardosi book. This design we have bought like more than 5 years back. Design book, Ari Zardosi. And this one also, Ari Zardosi book. Again GGR Ari Zardosi book. And this is the printout of the designs. So tracing designs, printout. This we provide as free for our online student, Ari Zardosi online student. Again, this is also a printout of tracing designs, Ari Zardosi books. So these everything is embroidery books, and these are the Ari embroidery designs with tracing sheets. You can see the designs here. So for this design, they'll be giving you the tracing sheets here. So here I have, so these are my A3 size records. I'm preparing notes for my online students here, like this. So after completing, I'll upload for my students and I'll guide them how to do the record. This is my mini collections of book I thought of sharing with you all, and hope this video will be useful for anyone who is passionate about fashion designing. Bye bye.